Hi guys, my name is Alondra and today I'm going to be doing my presentation on common fruits in Costa Rica. So when I first heard that I was going to be going ahead and doing a presentation on common fruits in Costa Rica, I thought I was going to be learning more so on exotic fruits and I was really excited about that. However, I did not know that I was going to also be learning about the environmental challenges associated with their farming. So this was more of a research based, which was pretty interesting because I did learn a lot from this project, in which I think you would also find interesting. So, in Costa Rica, there are some environmental concerns, being that farming and transportation causes the most pollution, and this is due to all their international shippings. Fruit becomes waste. This is due to, a lot of packaging and as well as, um, the peels of the fruits. So, for example, the three fruits that were studied in this report was melons, watermelons, and bananas, in which, as you guys know, banana peels, the watermelon, when you go ahead and you cut it, it there's a lot of like leftover peels and this becomes a lot of waste as well as the carbon footprint per fruit, and these are a lot of kilograms as well. And I did also add some citations from what I found in my in the articles I read. Moving forward, some outcome and implications. They went ahead and they talked about improving practices in farm productions, transportations, logistics, and waste handling. So this can be with like cleaner energy, cutting down shipping pollutions, improving packaging, and reusing waste in useful ways. So this was super interesting to learn, as you know, we don't really think about how fruit can become in an environmental um factor in which could affect, our land, our air quality due to like pollutions, and how, it could really be something that has an effect. So I thought this was interesting because it's not something that I've ever really thought about. Um, but I was very I learned a lot and I enjoyed it reading that article. However, I did go ahead and find another article in which it spoke about exotic fruits, and these were some of the fruits. Some of these fruits I don't know how to really pronounce, but these are some of their fruits that are well known in Costa Rica. And it was really interesting to learn how their warm and tropical climate and also the diverse landscapes, so like having like rainforests, volcanoes, all of this has an effect in how their fruits are grown. So all year round their fruits are growing due to their climate and also due to their diverse landscapes, um, which brings in a lot of obviously need around other countries for fruits, in which then Costa Rica goes ahead and provides these fruits, right? And this is where it comes in with the issue of, transportation and pollution, because a lot of fruits are from Costa Rica, because of their landscape and their warm weather that is able to produce all these fruits. And also a lot of, as you guys learned previously, they talked about how some of these farms, um, how they have some issues with that, with their environment. However, a lot of these farms are they've turned to being eco-friendly. So they've been able to go ahead and create that change with some local farmers that I did also learn about, and I found like interesting how like there was issues, but how like they've turned over that, and some farmers have, changed to eco-friendly, in which this promotes healthier and richer fruits for people to be eating. And I also included some citations as well that I found from there. And to end off, guys, I included my references from both articles, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this presentation. And, when we go to Costa Rica, guys, hopefully we could find these fruits in local markets and give them a try because they're not something that we really see often here in markets. Um, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it.